Hey, it's Eric from Neater Nest. I'm going to introduce you to the newest member to our family, this new Breville Espresso machine.
This all-in-one machine delivers the quality of a commercial cafe, but in the price range of a residential appliance. The onboard 60-ounce tank allows it to dispense hot water on demand, as well as steam milk for lattes. It grinds beans directly into the portafilter and allows you to adjust the grind size and grind amount. There's definitely an art to frothing milk, but it's quite easy with some practice. The Barista Express can serve up 1 or 2 shots of espresso at a time. It comes with single and dual wall filters to make sure you get the perfect extraction every time. I've been impressed with the reliability and consistency of this machine. We use it all year long with hot drinks in the winter and iced lattes in the summer. I chose Breville because of the brand quality. There was no other machine in this size or price range that could deliver the quality or reliability that our family of 5 required. If you're interested in making your own lattes at home, I recommend you check out Breville.